Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me this week for the last week of August. I can't believe I'm saying that. First of all, don't mind my nails. Ugh, I don't even want to show them. I was going to try and paint them, like paint over them before I started this video, but of course I couldn't find the polish, so we're just going to ignore that for right now. So for this video, I wanted to use this scrapbook pad. I purchased this a while ago, maybe, I don't know if, I want to say maybe 2 years ago. Maybe it was last year, I don't remember, but I have never used it, and I really like the colors in here. It's very summery, you know, like bright, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So I kind of want to use this, where is it? Maybe this one, and I kind of like this one, and the pineapples. I like this. So I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna pull all those pages out and see which ones I want to use. Yeah, I don't want this to be a long intro, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Like your heart